Welcome. If you want to clean storage in your HTC Desire 20 Pro, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now we have to move for the storage, and right now just tap on the free up space. As you can see, we have to go for, oh sorry, I just misclicked. We have to click right here for the OK. And let us catch up, everything is fresh here, we don't have any stuff to delete, but in your case you will get here some old files to delete, but you can also enter manually for all of the data that you get on a smartphone. And in my case I can delete these two screenshots, I just don't need it. And that's how you can manually clean the storage when you don't have any suggestions from the application. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.